What if you could turn on a light just by clapping your hands? No remote, no sensor module, just simple electronic components and one powerful device called an SCR. Let's build a clap-activated on-switch circuit step by step. In this video, I will show you how to make a sound-activated on-switch circuit using an SCR. This circuit is simple, low cost, and perfect for beginners who want to learn how sound-controlled circuits work. Components used: one SCR Y112, one condenser microphone, 10K ohms resistor, 1/4 watt, 100K ohms variable resistor, push button for reset, 12-volt DC battery or power supply, load, 12-volt bulb, LED, relay, or any device of your choice. Before making connections, understand the SCR pins. From left to right, first pin is anode, middle pin is cathode, third pin is gate. Circuit connections, step by step. First, take the push button. Connect one pin of the push button to SCR pin 1, anode. Connect the second pin of the push button to SCR pin 2, cathode. This button will reset the circuit. Now take the condenser microphone. Connect the negative side of the mic to SCR pin 1, anode. Connect the positive side of the mic to SCR pin 3, gate. Next, connect the 10K ohms resistor to the SCR gate pin. Now connect your load. In my case, I am using a 10-watt 12-volt bulb, but you can use an LED, relay, or any device. Connect one pin of the bulb to SCR cathode pin. Take the 100K variable resistor. Connect pin 1 of the variable resistor to the 10K resistor point. Connect the middle pin, wiper, of the variable resistor to the second pin of the bulb. Finally, connect the 12-volt supply. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to SCR pin 1, anode. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the bulb's second pin. Now the circuit is complete. How the circuit works. When you clap or generate sound near the condenser microphone, the microphone converts sound waves into a small electrical signal. This signal is applied to the gate of the SCR. Once the signal reaches the trigger level, the SCR turns on. When the SCR turns on, current flows through the bulb and the light turns on. Because SCR is a latching device, the bulb stays on even after the sound stops. To turn the bulb off, simply press the reset push button, which breaks the SCR current and resets the circuit. You can adjust the sensitivity and range of the circuit using the 100K variable resistor. What is an SCR? SCR stands for Silicon Controlled Rectifier. It is a special type of semiconductor device that works like an electronic switch. Once it turns on, it stays on until the power is removed or reset manually. That's why SCRs are perfect for latching circuits like clap switches. This circuit can be used for clap-controlled lights, home automation learning projects, sound-activated switches, electronics experiments, and education. If you like this simple and powerful electronics project, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy DIY electronics circuits. Comment below if you want a clap on-off circuit, relay version, or AC load control. Thanks for watching.